In this video, I explain how you can record your screen for educational purposes for absolutely free using Luxea Video Editor. Let's have a look at it. So now we've installed Luxea and it's up and running, and if we want to record the screen, all we need to do is click on the record button and we can there set the dimensions. So we can record full screen, we can record custom, we can record at different presets, we can set the width and height here. We can add in a webcam if we want, or we can use the microphone. This is actually the microphone I'm recording with at the moment, and we can keep system audio or we can disable system audio. So I've got here a general presentation, and this is a presentation in Google Slides. So you could use this or you could use PowerPoint, and they'll behave in exactly the same manner and achieve the end result. So if I go to presenting, all I have to do is click record, and I'll get a countdown. I'll be counted in, and then I can just work through my slides and I can narrate them. When I'm done, I just have to click pause and I just click save, and I save the file. When I go back into Luxea, my recording is here, and all I have to do is drag it down to the timeline. So what I can do now that it's selected, I can scrub through it and I can cut out bits I don't want. So these bits here, these little bars are the sound volume, so I can see I've got no sound here. So I go here and I press the split button, and I go here and I press the split button again. And all I have to do now is delete it. I can move this across and I can add in some transitions here so that I get more smooth effects when moving from one slide to the other. So you can see that there. Other things I can do is I can shorten the clip, I can copy the clip, and I can add some text to start the video off and give it a title. I'm going to call this Learning 101, and I'm going to just have that here. So Learning 101, I probably want to have a transition here, and there we are. So I've made my very first screen recording. So there's a whole host of other things we can do here, and I cover that in my review of Luxea, and some of them will really help make your video that little bit more polished and that little bit more interesting for viewers. But once we want to produce the video, all we need to do is go here, produce and share, and at this point I'll be prompted to sign up for a Luxea account, and you'll need to be signed into your Luxea account, and I'm already signed in. I would save it to common format rather than sharing it to YouTube or Vimeo. Again, I would pick MP4, and I would pick 1920 by 1080, which is full HD. I'd stick with the default settings. I'd click next, and I would then give it a title, and I'd click produce, and then it will start to render. And once it's rendered, your file will be created and you can upload it to Google Drive and share it for learning. Once it's completed, you can click show file to bring up the file location, or you can just click finish. I hope you found that useful. Please let me know if you want me to make any more videos about Luxea and how to get the most out of it. Thank you. Goodbye.